Step one, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step two, get some good, some food in you. Step three.
Halo kawan-kawan, kali ini kita berkunjung ke Tabek Hilang Lanyek yang legendaris yang berada di Nagari Batu Bajanjang, Kabupaten Solok. Kali ini kita akan roadshow dan camping di sana bersama teman-teman pemandu wisata yang ada di Kabupaten Solok. Gimana keseruannya? Ayo!
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up.
Bro Rozi, selamat datang di Tabek Hilang Lanyek, Nagari Batu Bajanjang. Video. Yihui. Asik.
Ini for the second time saya hadir di sini karena first time-nya saya kesini 2016. Ternyata masih mempesona seperti saya.
Woi, mantap. Sis Puji.
Hai.
Bro Riko. Ya, cuaca yang sangat bagus. Cerah. Alhamdulillah perjalanan selamat sampai tujuan.
Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin. Alam yang luar biasa sekali. Luar biasa, Tabek Hilang Lanyek di Nagari Batu Bajanjang. I am here. Why? Amazing. Gimana Bro Rafis? Kenapa daerah ini disebut Tabek Hilang Lanyek? Bisakah dijelaskan gambaran umumnya?
Dahulu kalau setahu saya, kalau dongeng Tabek Hilang Lanyek terjadi karena cinta sapa sukuan.
Wow, menarik historinya.
Di mangkonyo diagi nama Tabek Hilang Lanyek. Jadi yang tabek iko yang hilang bisa ditemukan, bisa tidak. Kalau yang lanyek kan habis. Jadi Tabek Hilang Lanyek.
Oke, terima kasih Bro Rafis untuk informasinya.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.